Hey guys, it's about time for an update. Just wanted to show you guys how big they're getting. Got them under my hutch, my old hutches right now. Kinda got a cool story. I came home from Easter the other day. I came home to this guy. Woof, woof. This guy was under my hutches. I managed to set a trap for him and ended up catching him. Now we're gonna call him Cadbury, and he can be part of our little bunny crew. Thought that was kind of cool. He kind of looks like a silver fox to me. If you look at his face, hey, he's pretty friendly. Even though you can't come out, but he's pretty friendly. But yeah, sorry for being a couple days late, but you know how it is, Easter and the family and the kids, so they're eating a ton. I just came out here this morning to feed them. Figured I better do the update. So, catch you guys later.